Hello everyone. For today's video, I will be unboxing this Samsung Tab S6. So I just bought this last week. I just got it from the mail. I got the 128GB with cellular data. So let's go unbox this. So this tablet is the Samsung's high-end tablet, the most powerful they have. It's a 10.5-inch screen, and it has the Snapdragon processor with 8GB of RAM. It uses the AMOLED screen. So here is the tablet. So I have the T-Mobile version. The power charger and the headphone and the user manual. And that's pretty much it. Oh no, this is not a headphone, actually it's a charger. So it doesn't come with the headphone. So this is the charger, and it comes with the pen. See the tablet. So here's the tablet connected. So here you go, this is the back. It's pretty heavy for a small tablet, but it's all metal. The back plate is metal. I like the build. So like this, and the pen, you can actually put it behind the tablet. There's a magnet in it. I guess it should be like there. So it's a good tablet. So let's see if it's gonna turn on. I haven't charged this, I just got it, so let's see if it's gonna turn on. Okay, there you go. Turned on. I don't have the T-Mobile subscription yet, so I'm not gonna able to.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by
test
guiding you through the steps.
the mobile features. So let me finish setting this up, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm done setting it up. It's pretty good device. It's a good device. I like the screen. So it's but I haven't got. Pretty easy to set up. You can actually send your data from your phone, like your files, your text, your pictures, with the using the smart switch. It's a good tablet. But this one is a pretty small, smaller than like the thickness. It's smaller than the iPad. And I have a Surface Pro 6. You can compare the screen. I think this one has a better screen than my Surface Pro 6. Let me see here. My Surface Pro. Of course, it's way bigger. This is can't compare this to my Pro. This is a full PC. But the screen of this one is way brighter than the Surface Pro 6. Overall, I like this tablet. There you go. Can't really compare these two. But I'm gonna try to compare the iPad from this one on my next video. So subscribe if you like it, if you like this video. Thank you so much.